Hello, good evening. Welcome to a video where I'll tell you how you can prepare for your FM and PM for December 2024 exam. Let me first cover up FM. For FM, your syllabus has 3 4 major areas. One is investment appraisal, then comes working capital, then comes cost of capital and capital structure. I consider this to be one area, including business valuation. And the fourth area is risk management. First thing you have to analyze is how much you have completed. Ideally, by now, you should have completed three of the areas. But let's suppose still there are certain parts pending. Maybe complete risk management is pending, maybe complete cost of capital, capital structure is pending. We are at 12th of November. Fix up a time of next 10 days that by 22nd of November, I will complete the remaining portion. How will you complete the remaining portion? First thing, you need to ensure that you understand the concept. Number two, whatever are the total section A questions, do 60% of those. Whatever are section B questions, do 60% of those. And whatever are the number of section C question, there also ensure you are doing at least 6 to 7 questions from each part. Means 6 to 7 questions related to cost of capital, capital structure. 6 to 7 questions. If you have total in risk management, then attempt 3 4. So this way, try to select down your practice on priority so that you can complete all the areas of the syllabus. So that there is no syllabus area which is left out. Don't let that happen. You have to ensure that you are doing everything. Doing one thing in detail and remaining not touched at all is not at all a good option. Better to touch base on all the topics. After 22nd of November, this is the time when you should start practicing mocks. This is the time when you should give time to mocks plus time to practice extra. Now, this extra will come from those questions which you could not practice before. So, by the time you will have your exam, you will be done with the left out portion also, some mocks also, and by 22nd of November, even if your 80% syllabus is done, you should be able to go for the revision. Now, let me come to PM. PM, it has majorly 3 4 chapters which should be done on priority. So, first thing, check if you are done with relevant costing, if you are done with advanced variances, if you are done with CVP, and if you are done with performance measurement chapters related to performance management. The chapters which has got transfer pricing, which has got balance scorecard, which has got some ratios, which has got some divisional performance measurement. These should be done on priority. Check if you have done them. If you haven't done them, prioritize and complete them by 18th of November. 18th or 19th maximum. So I'm giving you 7 days to complete these critical areas. Whatever is left out, do that first. Now, remaining chapters, be it learning curve, be it life cycle costing, be it pricing, be it minimax, maximax tables, those you can do from 19th or 20th of November to 23rd of November in 4 5 days of time. Daily pick one chapter, understand the concept, practice section A questions 60 70%, section B questions 2 3 will work. Section C questions, anyways, it will be 2 3. So you don't have too many questions with PM. Keep 5 days for all those smaller areas. One chapter or more than that every day. From 23rd of November or probably 24th of November. Now, this is the time when you should be ready with your revision. Again, the revision here would be giving mocks, doing the questions which you could not attempt earlier. If you have done everything, then reach to practice platform. Practice some questions on the ACC Study Hub. Practice pre-mocks. Practice previous exam questions on the ACC Study Hub or practice platform. So with this, try to cater and grip up your FM and PM papers preparation. Most likely, if you follow this, even at this point of time, you will very much increase your chances of passing. As of now, don't leave any topic untouched. That should be your focus. I hope you will find this video helpful. If there is anything I can clarify, please feel free to write that in the comment section. Thank you so much and take care.